Yo, check it out, I gotta speak the truth about the hardest working small channel in the crypto booth. He's the
Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. I am the Crypto Father and today is the 16th of April. It's a Tuesday. Yesterday was a Monday and I completely failed to make a video yesterday simply for the reason because I was tired and my schedule was a bit wacky. I wake up every morning at 5 a.m. I hit my snooze or I turn off my alarm, get my ass out of bed, and I start making videos at 5 a.m. And yesterday I hit the alarm. I have no idea when. By the time I woke up, it was 6 o'clock, and I simply don't have any more time after that to make any videos. In the evening, I was just so knackered. I hit the sack at 9 p.m. Seriously, way before my kids. That's how sad it is, how sad my life is. But back today, I'm back at it, and hopefully I'm going to drum out a couple of videos. But that is not on the menu. The menu is, the topic is grim. $430 billion gone, vanished, evaporated. Market crashed in 48 hours. We've got Bitcoin at 63,000, Ethereum barely scraping above 3,000, BNB back to 555, Solana dipped all the way down to $100. It's back up to 137. Cardano at 45 cents again. Hot damn. All the other ones, Dogecoin at 15 cents, but man, oh man, 45 cents for Cardano again. The market cap is at $2.4 trillion, down from 2.8 something and a bit. Massive, but look at the trading volume, $141 billion in trading volume, and that's a nice green chart. That's a nice green chart. Look at this. Look how beautiful, green. Every time the market turns into a fuddy water of misery, the total trading volume pumps like mad, obviously. What's wild is the numbers of the total volume. Check it out. So it says here price. That's the total market cap. 2013, the total market cap of crypto was $1.6 billion. That was it. It wasn't even a trillion. It was 1.6 billion. Then in 2018, it pumped to 800 billion. Remember the heydays? Last bull run, it was at 2.3 trillion dollars. So we haven't even reached that yet, this bull market run, because the tops was at about 2.89 trillion, which is where we're at right now. We're at 430 billion in deficit. Cryptocurrency market lost 430 billion in capitalization since April 12th amid an unprecedented Iranian offensive against Israel. Traders lost over 2 billion in liquidations, which mostly affected Bitcoin by 500 million in an immediate risk of reaction. Notably, the crash started a day before the Iranian airstrike against Israel dominated headlines worldwide. On April 13th, Finbold reported a 150 billion crash with nearly 1 billion liquidated from cryptocurrency traders in 24 hours. This is just liquidations. That is insane. An insane amount. At that time, there were no public confirmations of the later known escalation of the war in Iran. After that, cryptocurrencies took another hit following the subsequent news on Saturday night and a panic sell-off. On the note, trading views, total crypto market cap index registered a drop of 429 billion in the 48 hours before the attack, for 17% losses. So this is a 20% dip. Now, just to be clear, this is Bitcoin is still bullish. Everything is still bullish. Everything is on track. The only thing that's causing the panic sell-off is this oddity that's going on in the Middle East. And so essentially, I think it's fair to say that the dip does not represent the overall value or the overall sentiment of the crypto market, because there's a lot that's happening in the crypto market. AI will need trillions of dollars of investment in infrastructure, says BlackRock CEO Larry Fink. Maybe it's Flink. You just get rid of the L. Pink stressed the transformative potential of artificial intelligence, but highlighted that such transformation cannot occur without substantial investment in infrastructure. AI technology requires enormous amounts of energy, and without a significant increase in power generation, adopting AI on a large scale would be infeasible. A lot of the AI is being worked on the blockchain, and so the blockchain will be part of the AI. To what extent, in what way, I'm not quite sure. Some of it will be in the form of trading bots. Some of it will be in the form of development of AI for particular purposes. But what is interesting is that BlackRock all of a sudden is in the forefront. Remember how BlackRock was like this sinister company that was dominating the world, that was taking over the world financially and otherwise? Still to this day has its hands in every aspect of our lives, or the economic lives of the world, essentially. And now all of a sudden the crypto world is hailing this dude, Larry Fink, as a hero because of the ETFs, which are not great, to be honest. The ETFs pumped the world of crypto for the obviously reasons, but I mean, the people who invest in ETFs don't actually own Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin owners are BlackRock. BlackRock have Bitcoin, and people who invest into ETFs are basically giving money. They don't actually have ownership of Bitcoin. So all the Bitcoin that's owned is owned by, again, that one single company, BlackRock. It's not a good thing. Speaking of decentralization, watch it vanish in front of our eyes. But some other news on ADA. ADA is excited as Huawei a cloud infrastructure arrives on Cardano. This is a 5 days old article. The Cardano community is abuzz with excitement as Emurgo, a founding entity of the Cardano blockchain, has announced a partnership that is set to bring Huawei's cloud infrastructure to the Cardano ecosystem. Emurgo has partnered with Huawei Cloud, one of the world's top cloud computing firm, to extend support for Cardano Validator node. This collaboration marks a pivotal moment for Cardano, promising to strengthen its capabilities and expand its reach. I've seen partnerships with cloud companies. They're insignificant. I'm not sure how this is going to pump the stock, but whatever. I guess it's good that Cardano is making connections. We'll see. Maybe in the long term, in the long run, it's going to turn out to be something. But right now, I'm telling you, it's nothing. It's really insignificant. Crypto.com secures historic approval to operate with fiat in the United Arab Emirates, pioneering cryptocurrency exchange services in the region. The development follows the initial licensing phase where Crypto.com met all the pre-operational requirements set by VARA since the virtual asset service provider license was issued in November 2023. So Crypto.com obtained full operational approval from Dubai's Virtual Asset Regulator Authority. This landmark approval, announced on April 9th, marks the first time a cryptocurrency exchange has been authorized to handle fiat transactions within the United Arab Emirates. With this new operational status, Crypto.com plans to launch its exchange services specifically aimed at institutional investors alongside qualified retail investors. The platform will offer a variety of financial services, including spot trading, staking, brokerage, over-the-counter trading, focusing on settlements for specific markets. Basically, they're hoping to get a nice chunk of cash flowing into their bank accounts from institutional investors, or qualified retail investors, meaning people with deep pockets. And if they get these people on their platform, it'll look good. It'll be like something to brag on. They'll have their market makers, and so that's great. Just another big company that's going to pump the stock a little bit more, quite possibly. But overall, I guess the hope is that Crypto.com might bring some more money to the crypto market cap and maybe drive that CMP back up to $3 trillion. Who knows? Bitcoin halving is going to take place in exactly 4 days at block 840,000. So that's going to be today. What is it? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's going to take over the weekend. It's going to take place over the weekend. Right now, Bitcoin is consolidating right here. It's broken below the 21 EMA. It's broken below the 21 EMA, which is not great, but obviously it's staying way above the 200 EMA. So once Bitcoin broke above the 200 EMA back in October of last year, it never retouched the 200 EMA. So I think we're safe. It's quite possible that it might touch the 200 EMA, but basically breaking below the 200 EMA would signify a potential turn of the market. But since we're like way above it and we're approaching the Bitcoin halving, we're good. Of course, Bitcoin's gonna bounce around. There's on the VMC chart, it's testing right now. Bitcoin's testing the support lines here, the green support line right here on the daily. Right now the 0.786 on the Fibonacci is proving to be the support level for Bitcoin. It dipped below to 62k, and right now it's still trading below it, but it hasn't closed a candle below this level, so hopefully it won't. And with the upcoming halving, chances are that we're going to see a nice rebound from here on out, and we'll see Bitcoin go to heights never seen before, quite possibly. But I mean, this is crypto, we never know what's going to happen. Essentially, the one thing that could happen, the one thing that is for sure, is that the Crypto Father channel brings you fresh crypto story on almost a daily basis. Weekdays, Friday, Saturday and Sunday are a bit lazy days. I try to make some content, but if you do feel generous, please consider joining the channel and becoming a crypto kitten or crypto cat. It helps me with the creation of the content. Like I said, my schedule is pretty tight, so if you help me grow the channel and monetization grows, maybe I can turn this gig into a full-time venture and provide more content and expand everything, all that good stuff. So do consider that. But whatever you do, please remember to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and of course come back for the next video tomorrow. In the meantime, stay frosty and watch out for yourself out there. Peace.